Hey, Tim again. I wanted to get right out here and film this, but I went ahead and did all my chores and all that stuff. I know being with somebody for 40 years and them up dying on you, it's going to take more than 4 months to get over it. But I had my first dream, which is really weird. I felt like I was in like some kind of dorms or some kind of reminded me back when I was in the DNR. It was like old army barracks, but walking around and with people and all that stuff. And I had a weird feeling about me. And then I went in and I was like, dang, I'm gonna call my wife and see if she's seeing somebody else or something, and which is really weird. And so I called, and it went to like a voicemail, and I didn't hear nothing. You know, it was just like it wasn't set up or whatever. And then I just faded out of my sleep and realized that heck, she was dead anyways. But what got me about it was the dang see if she was seeing somebody else. Man, that woman wouldn't have cheated on me for nothing in the world, and we never cheated on each other ever. There was one time a guy, Dan Wood, hired me. He paid ungodly. Boy, I never been paid that much. But he had real estate and rentals, and I'd go work on them. And he was making strip clubs, and we'd remodel strip clubs. And he'd call, like, he's a pain in the ass, but he'd call like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock at night. Hey man, get dressed, man. We're going to Chicago or wherever. Because we moved down here from Michigan a while back. And we'd go off up there and we'd go to these strip clubs and, you know, see how they were set up and stages. And don't get me wrong, we weren't just looking at the stages and stuff, because I mean, I'm a man and eyes wander and stuff. But like I say, I'd never cheat on my old lady. I had plenty of opportunities. I mean, actually had one call in his office and stuff. I mean, that's like crazy, Bo. But what's weird is the damn dreams, Bo. I guess they say they're what you don't usually think about. But that kind of screwed me up today, because of just that waking up into, dang, Bo, she's dead. It's kind of crazy. I don't know. I got my granddaughter back now, so I'm gonna go up and try to work this off on that mobile home some more. It's starting to come around some. I still got a bunch of junk stuff to move out of there. But my daughter, she has this online store. She's had it for probably 2-3 years. I've been, you know, kind of poking at her. Hey, how's the store going? How's the store going? Well, she finally started getting into it. And she made a sale when she was out that day I was talking about. And so she went home. I guess she was working on stuff, but she ran into ChatGPT, and she thought you had to pay for it. If she'd asked me, I'd have told her, no, I don't pay for it, it's free, you know, whatever. But she actually got into that, and it's upping her views and all that stuff. I was like, dang, girl, I told you, Bo. And that's what I'm trying to tell everybody. Dang, work on yourself, build things, make things. Even if you just start something even stupid, it'll work into something good. Because the longer you work on it, the more you're building. And like, say it goes to hell in a handbag, you know, your ideas are going to go somewhere else. So as long as you're building and creating things and making things, and try doing that evergreen stuff where you make it one time and it builds on, like that ebook I'm talking about down there. You get that thing going, get an ebook or a guide or something going, and start publicizing it, and it just gets bigger and bigger. And over time, Bo, you just can't give up. Now, I ain't giving up. I mean, it's hard. Like I say, I have good days, bad days. This morning kind of sucked with that, because I woke up with like 4.5 hours sleep, and I decided to lay back down. I nodded out and had that dream. The dream seemed like it was forever. But like I say, man, like, share, subscribe, give me some comments. If you're having problems with the same kind of stuff I am, man, stick with me. Come back and talk to me. You know, comment and all that stuff. I love to hear it. I I don't know, but like I say, all I got for you is that ebook down there. Dang, it's free. They asked for a $3 donation. Just put 0. Get something going, anything. Like I say, my daughter, boy, she's finally figuring it out. Boy, I've been damn preaching it and preaching it and preaching it. Get something going. Oh no, they just keep whatever. He just keeps going off to work. I bring it up every time they're around. You know, I'm like, man, I paid my dues. You know, I got to retire at 54. Because I didn't run around fancy cars. I had the dang wore out jeans, raising 4 kids and all that stuff while everybody was out doing that. Well, they're still working. And I hate bringing that up, but I'm trying to rub off on the fella a little bit, because he just thinks, oh no, and I brought up retirement, and I don't know if I'll retire. I can't see my time. I was like, all right, well then how about your future? Let's reword this. Your future. Just kind of went quiet. It's like, Bo, and he's like, well, you don't know the future because the AI and stuff. I said, Bo, you know how to predict your future? He's like, what? I was like, create it. Create it, man. But like I say, if you're going through things like me, or not going through things like me, I mean, stick around, check it out. I always got a groovy little skit at the end of this thing. I don't know, man. Like, share, subscribe. Keep sharp, keep your nose clean, and oh, no one, that's living, baby. And I wonder. Go swing, come on. Ramsey, go! Oh!
Nobody can throw a rock as far as me. Whoa.